Hi, I'm Anamika, and in this video, I'm going to be making a slime as part of the Yucky Science Kids Slime Festival. I'm actually supposed to be making the fanciest slime. So, I'm going to be making an ocean or a sea themed slime. For making this slime, I'm going to be using some utensils, some clear glue. Not all types of glue will work. Luckily, I got these that will work. Borax activator, some paint, glitter, confetti, and some seashells. So, let's make our slime. Firstly, I'm going to pour all the glue into a bowl. Then I'm adding some activator. After mixing for a long time, the slime is ready. Now I am adding some paint into the slime, which is divided into two. I am going to keep these aside for a few days to clear out all the air bubbles. So it's been a few days since I made this slime, and now I'm going to be mixing the two slimes together and adding some glitter, confetti and seashells to make it look like an ocean. I hope you liked the slime I made. If you liked my slime, please go to yuckyscience.com and vote for me. Bye!